Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Note, if there is a strip of mylar covering the memory module, hold it back out of the way while you remove the memory module. Push out the retention clips on each side of the memory module at the same time, and allow the module to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the module gently at its edges and remove. Note, the second memory module, if installed, is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the memory module into its slot on the system board. Press the module down until its retention clips snap into place, securing the module to the system board. Note, the second memory module, if installed, is replaced in the same manner.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.